Welcome to this comprehensive guide on using a dictionary effectively. In this series, we'll explore how to make the most of dictionaries as powerful tools for language learning. Whether you're using a traditional print dictionary or an online version, you'll learn techniques that will transform how you look up and understand words. Let's begin this journey together. Why should you use a dictionary? First, dictionaries help you understand the exact meanings of unfamiliar words. When you encounter a new word, the dictionary provides clear definitions that help you grasp its true meaning. Second, dictionaries teach you proper pronunciation and spelling. You'll learn how to say words correctly and write them accurately. Third, dictionaries help you discover synonyms and word variations. This means you'll find similar words and different forms of the same word. Finally, using a dictionary improves your writing and speaking skills. The more you understand words deeply, the better you communicate. There are two main types of dictionaries you should know about. Print dictionaries are traditional paper books with detailed entries. They provide comprehensive information and are great for deep learning. Online dictionaries are digital versions available on computers and phones. They offer instant access, audio pronunciation, and quick searching. Both types have their advantages. Print dictionaries help you focus without distractions, while online dictionaries are convenient and fast. Choose whichever works best for your learning style. Every dictionary entry has important parts you need to understand. The first part is the word and its spelling. This shows you exactly how to write the word. The second part is the pronunciation guide. This tells you how to say the word out loud using special symbols. The third part is the definition. This explains the meaning of the word, includes examples of how to use it, and shows what part of speech it is, like noun or verb. Understanding these three parts helps you use a dictionary entry completely. Guide words are one of the most useful features of a dictionary. At the top of each page, you'll see two guide words. The first word is the first entry on that page, and the second word is the last entry on that page. For example, a page might show apple at the top left and avocado at the top right. This means every word on this page comes between apple and avocado in alphabetical order. Guide words help you find words much faster. Instead of reading every entry, you can skip to the right page quickly by checking if your word falls between the two guide words. Understanding alphabetical order is essential for using a dictionary. All words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order, starting with the letter A and ending with the letter Z. When two words start with the same letter, you look at the second letter, then the third, and so on. For example, if you're looking for the word art, you would find it between apple and ask. Learning to think in alphabetical order makes dictionary searching automatic and fast. This skill will become natural with practice. Entry words are the main words you look up in a dictionary. They appear in bold and large font so you can spot them easily. Each entry word shows you the exact spelling you need to use. After the entry word, you'll see the phonetic spelling, which shows you how to pronounce it. The phonetic spelling uses special symbols and marks. For example, the word beautiful shows you exactly how each part sounds. Learning to read entry words correctly ensures you understand the base form of the word and can find it quickly in the future. Reading pronunciation guides is a valuable skill. Each symbol in the phonetic spelling represents a specific sound. The mark that looks like a line before a syllable shows which part of the word gets the stress or emphasis. For the word water, you stress the first part. For the word beautiful, you stress the first part as well. Start by reading the pronunciation slowly, breaking it into syllables. Practice saying each part separately, then blend them together. With practice, you'll become faster at reading these guides and pronouncing new words correctly. Many words can be different parts of speech depending on how they're used. The word run is a verb when you say I run every morning, but run is a noun when you say go for a run. Dictionaries label each meaning with abbreviations like V for verb and N for noun. Understanding parts of speech helps you use words correctly in sentences. When you look up a word, check all the parts of speech listed. This shows you different ways to use the same word and helps you become a more flexible and accurate communicator. Here are two essential tips for using a dictionary effectively. First, Always check the guide words at the top of the page before you start searching. This technique helps you find the right page much faster instead of flipping through many pages randomly. Second, read all the definitions provided. Words often have multiple meanings, and the most common meaning might not be the one you need. By reading every definition, you understand the word completely and know which meaning fits your context. These simple habits will make you a dictionary expert.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.